Today our topic is Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Important information. This information is useful to all Singareni exams.
Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Singareni Collieries Company Limited. The slogan of Singareni Collieries Company Limited: One Family, One Vision, One Mission. The Singareni Collieries Company Limited or SCCL is a government-owned coal mining company in India, one of the public sector undertakings. The company is jointly owned by the Telangana government 51% and the Union government 49%. SCCL is currently operated 48 mines, where 19 open cast and 29 underground mines in 6 districts of Telangana with a manpower around 53,439 as of April 2018. SCCL is contributing 9.2% in the all India domestic production. Since in inception 1989, 1.36 billion tons of coal is extracted by the Singareni Collieries Company Limited and it has proved reserves of 10.84 billion tons of coal. In the year 1871, Dr. William King of Geological Survey of India discovered coal nearly Illandu in Khammam district. One of the important coal seam bore his name. The Hyderabad Company Limited, incorporated in England, acquired mining rights in 1886 to exploit coal found in Illandu area. The present company was incorporated on 23rd December 1920 under the Hyderabad Companies Act as Public Limited Company with the name the Singareni Collieries Company Limited. It is named after village Singareni in Khammam district, Telangana, where the coal mines are first noticed. The company's accredited function is to explore and exploit the coal deposits in the Godavari Valley coal field, which is the only repository of coal in South India. The company is involved in coal extraction in Telangana in the Pranahita Godavari Valley region, which has significant coal reserves with proven geological reservations estimated at 8,791 million tons. Ramagundam is one of the most important region of Singareni Collieries Company. Mining activities of SCCL are presently spread over 6 districts of Telangana: Khammam, Komarambim, Manchiral, Peddapalli, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Bhadradri, Kottagudam. The milestones of Singareni: 1948 machine mining, 1951 electrical coal reels, 1953 electric cap lamps, 1954 flame proof electric equipment, 1975 open cast mining, 1979 side discharge loaders, 1981 load haul dumpers and headers, 1983 long wall mining, 1986 walking drag lines, 1989 French blasting gallows method, 1994 in-pit crushing and conveying, 2002 man riding system in conventional mines to reduce travelling time and fatigue of workmen, 2003 phasing out manual coal filling launched, 2007 3D laser scanner used for mine surveying, 2008 diesel operated underground machinery, 2008 ERP Enterprise Resource Planning SAP, first government coal company to introduce SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. 2009 lightweight cap lamps implemented in all UG mines. 2011 processed overburden started at Bhupalapalli used as stowing material in the UG mines as alternate of square of river sands. Achieved Golden Peacock Innovative Product Service Award in 2015 at Dubai. 2010 high wall mining 2014 high capacity long wall at Adrial, 2015 mine crushers, 2016 two 600 megawatt thermal power plant, first government coal company generating thermal power for commercial use. 2020 300 megawatt captive solar power plant started generating solar power for captive use. Awards and recognitions. Asia Pacific Entrepreneurship Award 2018 from Entrepreneurs Award. National Award for Excellence in Cost Management in 2016 in Large Mining PSUs Division from the Institute of Cost Accounts of India. Golden Peacock Innovative Product Service Award 2015. The Singareni Collieries Company Limited received the Indira Gandhi Vriksha Mitra Award 2004 for outstanding contribution made in the field of afforestation and wasteland development on 5th June 2007 at New Delhi. Environmental Excellence Award for 2005-2006 from Society for the Research and Innovatives for Sustained Technologies and Institution, New Delhi. Environmental Excellence Award from the Green Tech Foundation in 2005-2006. Golden Peacock Innovation Management Award 2005 from the Institution of Directors, New Delhi. Golden Peacock Environment Management Award 2005 from the World Environment Foundation, New Delhi. Fly Ash Utilization Award 2005 jointly instituted by the Ministry of Environmental and Forests, Power and Science and Technology, Government of India. The second best corporate film award 2005 by the Public Relations Society of India, Hyderabad for Shramika Bandham, a telefilm. 3 of the 14 national safety awards instituted by the Directorate General of Mines Safety, Government of India in 2004. Best Workers Welfare Activity Award for 2003-2004 by the Federation of Andhra Pradesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Best Overall Performance Award for 2002-2003 by the Federation of Andhra Pradesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Best Management Award for 2001-2002 by the Government of Andhra Pradesh.
Headquarters of SSCL, Kottagudem, Bhadradri Kottagudem, Telangana. Chairman and MD Shri N. Sridhar Garu, IAS, since 2015. Website ssclmines.com. Number of employees approximately 48,942. Singareni Bhavan situated at Lakdikapul, Khairabad, Hyderabad, Telangana. In 1871, coal was discovered in Telangana. In 1889, coal production started in Ilandu area. In 1920, the name has changed as Singareni Collieries Company Limited from Hyderabad Deccan Company Limited. In 1928, coal production started at Belempelli area. In 1937, coal production started at Kottagudem area. In 1961, coal production started at Ramagundam and Mandamari area. In 1975, coal production started at Manuguru and Srirampur area. In 1975 onwards, open cast mines were started. In 1986, computers introduced in Singareni. In 1991, coal production started at Bhupalapalli area. From 1998 onwards, trade union elections started in SCL. From 1999 to 2000 onwards, Singareni Collieries Company sharing profits to employees. SCL has a YouTube channel. The channel name is Singareni Siren. Started from 7/7/2018. SCL starts coal production in Naini block, Odisha. It has been decided that all permissions from the forest departments are to be obtained by March 2020 and coal production is to start by February 2021. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, like and comment about my video. Thank you.